Hello boys and girls! Today we are going to make sponge printed ice cream, and here are the things that you need. So first is prepare your plain white paper and start by cutting a brown triangle shape out of a brown card or paper for your ice cream cone. Oopsie, remember to ask mom and dad's help for cutting. After cutting, get a glue and glue your ice cream cone on your paper. Next, pour some paint into a bowl or plate with any color you want. Then, get your sponge and dip your sponge onto the paint. Then, you might want to dab it into the top of your ice cream cone to make your ice cream. And lastly, using any color of a crayon, draw lines in each direction across your cone to show the texture on it. So there you have it. I finished my ice cream. So let's start to do yours. Don't forget to send pictures.